In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Manychat Pro account in an easy and straightforward way. Now, we all know that having active subscriptions is a normal part of using digital tools and services these days, but sometimes you just need to take a step back or change direction. Whether you're streamlining your expenses, shifting priorities, or just need a break from many automations, cancelling your Manychat Pro account is a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, it's essential to log into your Manychat account. Make sure you're on the right account if you manage multiple ones. No one wants cancellation surprises. Once inside, you'll need to navigate to a section called Settings. You can easily find this by looking at the menu options. Once you're there, click on Settings to proceed. Inside the Settings menu, you're going to spot something labelled Billing. This is an important area as it holds all the details you need related to your subscription plan. Click on Billing and this will open up the next set of options. Now on the billing page, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. This is your golden ticket to ending your Manychat Pro subscription. Give that a click and you'll be one step closer to completing the process. After you click Cancel Subscription, you'll likely be prompted to confirm this decision. It's a standard procedure to ensure that you're sure about your choice before any actions are taken. Go ahead and confirm your cancellation. Once confirmed, congratulations, you've successfully cancelled your Manychat Pro subscription. But before you go, there are a few important points to keep in mind. While you've cancelled the subscription, remember that you can only delete your actual Manychat account once any active subscriptions have been cancelled. This means if you're looking to fully close out of Manychat, your next step is account deletion. Additionally, if your account has team members, it's a wise move to remove them before you proceed with deleting the account altogether. This helps in clearing any complications that might arise later. And lastly, consider removing any connected channels such as Facebook pages from your Manychat account before you delete it. Doing so will ensure that any connected automations are handled gracefully and don't cause confusion in the future. Thank you for following along with these steps. I hope this was helpful in guiding you through the cancellation process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and have a fantastic day.